On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the CSRF problem on your Instagram. So all what you wanna do to fix the token missing problem is very easy. There is actually three ways to fix it. First way, open the settings, go to the apps manager, and then wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Go to the data usage and then disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back. That's the first way. The second way is you have to open the storage or the internal storage of the app. Click on clear data and clear cache. If the problem is not solved yet, there is the third way, which is go to the Play Store and click on this update option. And I'm gonna give you also the fourth way as a bonus. So the last way is you have to remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.